on, guys? It is your boy Max, and today I'm going to be bringing you a small look at the Nobuyoshi Araki Rose Supreme Collab Lookbook. Alright, so let's take a look inside of this guy. Got the box logo bag. Awesome. Inside. Lookbook. And classic box logo stickers. Alright, so lookbook. So sadly, this was a drop that I slept on, so I wasn't able to grab anything really notable, but nonetheless, this should be sweet. Side, we have the famous rose, and then I think okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to stay tuned for new content. I'll be posting vlogs and reviews of clothing, and next week I'll be posting an unboxing video of the Supreme and Slayer collab. Okay, so be sure to let me know what you guys think of the video down below. And yeah, have an awesome day. Thanks for watching.